Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma, and today we're going to talk about a topic that affects all of us every single day.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack. And yes, today's topic is the weather and climate, something we always talk about but don't always understand very well.
That's right, Jack. Weather is often the first topic when people meet or start a conversation, especially in English-speaking countries.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is friendly, easy, and safe, and it helps you practice simple English in a natural way.
So first, let's make a small but important difference clear. We have weather and we have climate.
Yes, this is very important. Weather is what happens today or tomorrow, like rain, sun, or wind.
Climate is different. Climate describes the weather of a place over a long time, usually many years.
For example, we can say that Spain has a warm climate, but today the weather can be cold or rainy.
That's a great example. Students often mix these two words, so it's good to stop and think about them.
And don't worry if you mix them sometimes. It's very normal when learning English.
Now, let's start with weather words that you hear every day. The most common one is probably sunny.
Yes, sunny means the sun is shining and the sky is clear or almost clear.
People usually feel happy when it's sunny, and they like to talk about it.
They might say, "It's a beautiful sunny day," or "I love this sunny weather."
Another very common word is rainy.
Rainy means water falls from the sky, and sometimes it rains all day.
Rainy days can feel calm, but sometimes they make people feel a bit tired or lazy.
Yes, and people often say, "It's raining again," especially if it rains many days in a row.
Let's talk about temperature now. We often say hot, warm, cool, or cold.
These words are simple but very useful for daily conversations.
Hot usually means very warm, often in summer.
And cold is the opposite, often in winter or at night.
Warm is more comfortable than hot, and many people like warm weather.
Cool is not very cold, just a little cold, and it often feels nice.
People also talk about the weather when they plan their day.
Yes, for example, "It's cold today, so I'll wear a jacket."
Or it's hot, so I'll stay inside or go to the beach.
Weather really changes how we live and what we do.
Now let's move to climate. Climate is about patterns over time.
When we talk about climate, we often use words like dry, wet, warm, or cold.
For example, a desert has a dry climate with very little rain.
And a tropical place usually has a warm and wet climate.
Climate can also affect food, clothes, and houses.
Yes, people in cold climates build houses to keep heat inside.
And people in hot climates often wear light clothes.
These are simple examples, but they show how important climate is.
Now let's talk about seasons. Most places have 4 seasons.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
In spring, the weather gets warmer and flowers start to grow.
Many people feel happy in spring because days are longer.
Summer is usually hot and sunny.
It's a popular season for holidays and travel.
Autumn or fall often brings cooler weather and falling leaves.
It can feel calm and cozy, especially in the evenings.
Winter is the coldest season in many places.
In winter, it can snow and days are shorter.
Not all countries have 4 clear seasons, though.
That's true. Some places only have a dry season and a rainy season.
This is why climate is different around the world.
And it makes travel very interesting.
People often ask, what's the weather like there?
This is a very common and useful question in English.
You can answer with simple sentences.
For example, "It's usually warm and sunny."
Or it's often cold and windy.
Windy is another good weather word.
Yes, windy means there is a lot of wind.
Wind can make cold weather feel even colder.
Another word is cloudy.
Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds and you don't see much sun.
Cloudy weather can feel calm or sometimes sad.
It depends on the person, really.
Let's talk a bit about climate change, but in a simple way.
Yes, we'll keep it clear and easy to understand.
Climate change means the climate of the Earth is changing over time.
The Earth is getting warmer on average.
This can cause more extreme weather like very hot summers or strong storms.
Many people talk about this topic today, so it's useful to know basic words.
Words like heat, storms, and floods are common in news.
But for daily English, it's enough to understand the main idea.
Now, let's go back to daily conversations.
Yes, talking about the weather is perfect for small talk.
You can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Or, the weather is terrible today.
These sentences are simple but very natural.
Native speakers use them all the time.
Weather is also common in phone calls and messages.
For example, it's raining, so I'll be late.
Or, "It's sunny, let's meet outside."
Weather helps explain plans and changes.
Before we finish, let's review some key words.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, cold.
And remember the difference between weather and climate.
Weather is short-term, climate is long-term.
Don't try to learn everything at once. Just listen, practice, and use these words little by little.
The next time you talk to someone in English, try a weather sentence.
It's an easy way to start a conversation.
That's all for today's episode.
Thanks for listening, and see you next time.